Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update of my rewards program and the leaderboard for all the members who showing engagement and watching the videos. I appreciate you every single day. So if this is your first time here at this video, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's time to talk about the content of my rewards program and thanking everybody for watching videos and engaging to my rewards program. Now, right now at the leaderboard here, we have Alexander is in first place from October 22nd to November 21st so far, and he will receive $25 being in first place, and the person in last place you see right there. So what it is you watch the videos, engage into the videos, and you get rewards points. You get credit, you get reward, you get videos like this showing you on the leaderboard. So I want you to encourage you, click on the link below to get started on this rewards program. And all you do is when you sign up, you connect with your PayPal account, and you start watching videos and start engaging to the content for my YouTube channel. As you see right here, living proof that these members here are watching videos and get engaged on a daily basis. So I'm waiting for you to go ahead and get on the leaderboard. And if you're in 5th and 6th place, you need to start watching some videos for you can get paid up to $25 for the whole month. So this is Adam Shelton. Click on the link below to get part of the rewards program. My credits rewards program that's rewarding you for engaging and watching my videos and also participating in any of my products as well. So how you can do that, you can actually purchase products or engage in those products, part of the My Credits reward system. So all you do is you click on any of those videos or any of those products, you engage in it, you invest in those products, you'll get a lot of points as well. So click on the link below to get started with my rewards points and watch some videos. Why not watch some videos? Videos are fun to watch, and I want to see you on the leaderboard. I'll see you later in the next video. Click on the link below, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Have a good day.